Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Atomic Wallet app from your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Logging out of Atomic Wallet on your PC is quite easy. Once you're inside the main homepage of Atomic Wallet, go to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll be able to see a button that says Exit. Give it a click and confirm your login out by clicking on Yes when it asks you if you'd like to close the wallet. Soon after you do that, you can easily log out of Atomic Wallet app on your PC. To log in back again, you'll need to enter your password into the text box and click on Open Wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.